Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another two-page spread for my December daily 2019. I've had so many people message me and ask me, are you going to finish this project? Yes, I'm going to finish it. It might take me a while. I'm hoping that I will commit to doing at least a two-page spread per week. And today I'm doing day 21 and 22. So really, I only have 9 pages left, which means that it's going to be about, 4 more hours because it takes me about an hour each time that I do a two-page spread. So I'm hoping that 4 more weeks and I'll have at least the base of my layouts done. And then I'll take a morning and I'll print off all my photos. I'll divide them all by days, and then I'm hoping to do a video where, at least depending on how long it takes me to put the photos, because I do like to add a little title here and there and a little bit of journaling. So I might put, 5 to 8 days per video, and we'll get it done that way. It might only be done by April or May, but I am committed to get this done. And this just proves to me even more that next year I need to start this project in November. Because every other year that I started in November, I was done by January 1st or 2nd. Like I would finish off the last few days on those days. So that is definitely going to be in my planner to start this project in November, maybe even the beginning of November, so that by December 1st, all my pages are done. And then every day, all I got to do is print my photos and put them in. But I still think it's a project that is worth it, that even though, the last thing on my mind right now is anything December-ish, anything Christmassy. But I want to get it done, because if I don't do a little bit at least every week, it's not going to get done. It's going to be one of those things that's just going to sit there and not even half done, because most of my pages don't even have pictures yet. Another question I get asked a lot is, Nicole, how do you get those smaller pictures? So if you have an iPhone, I have an iPhone, you can go to the App Store and search for PicFrame app, and there's all kinds out there, but that's the one I'm using. And one of the frames, I guess, is a 4-picture onto a 4x6 print, and it prints out 4x4. So then each print is about 1.75 by 1.75 if you put it that you want a border. And that way you get the perfect sizes for the pages that I'm doing. Now let's talk about day 21 and 22. I decided to go with brown and yellow. That's not two colors that you would really think about using for Christmas layouts. But every time I use those colors on a Christmas layout, I absolutely love it. Now what I do is I plan for two pages. So when I go through my pattern papers, when I go through my cardstock and my embellishments, I grab enough that I'm going to be able to do both page spreads. At first, I was only doing one at a time, and it was taking me forever. So by saying, okay, the left and the right page are going to have the same tones, and just grab the pattern papers and grab all the embellishments that you need, and then I just start gluing down, and the pages are coming together a whole lot quicker. My issue right now is I'm not taking this project out enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a specific day during the week, whether it's Monday. Every Monday, I'm going to grab my Project Life stuff and my December daily stuff, and I'm going to make the next 2 pages for this project. So that's what you can expect, about a layout a week for December daily. Now here are some other projects that I'm working on. I am still working on the books that I read in 2020. I have January done. I don't have February. And I mean, let's be real, March is almost done. So I need to get February done. I'm not that far behind, but I'm a whole month behind. So I need to get that done. And I'm doing it in my reading planner and then also as a project lifestyle layout. So that's two things that I need to do just for what I read in February. I need to get caught up on December daily, and I need to finish getting some page kits ready. I'll tell you what happened. Because I'm doing Scrapathon right now, that is taking my focus. So I kind of ran out of time to do pages for the crop. I went through my room and I found 25 page kits that were sitting in my scrap room, ready to go. Thank goodness, because I just didn't have time to finish those page kits. But now I've used pretty much all those page kits up. So I need to make some more page kits. And I'm still working on organizing my room. So I need to do that. And I also need to journal all my layouts. That was one of my organization things that I needed to do. So I still need to do that. I need to set aside some time every day and journal all my layouts and then put them away. Now that is a lot of stuff, but let's talk about what's going on right now. Now, as we all know, the world is in upheaval right now and we're all quarantined, and so that's going to give me lots of time. For the next 3 weeks, we don't plan on going anywhere. I know they said 2 weeks, but I think we're going to do 3 because I don't work again till April 10th. So I think we're going to do it till then. We have to go get groceries. We've waited as long as possible. We didn't go when there was panic to get groceries. So I think this week is not as bad. My husband went to our little grocery store in our little town, and he said it wasn't as bad yesterday, but we need to go to Costco because we get a lot of stuff at Costco because there's 4 of us here, 4 adults eating, and we've kind of put off doing groceries for close to 2 weeks now. So we absolutely need to get groceries. But after that, I think we're going to keep it so that we stay in our house. So what is that going to mean for my channel? For my channel, because I'm going to be home and we're not running here and there and so busy, I'm hoping to upload almost every day. And I know that everyone's at home going stir crazy. So I want to make sure that there's content for you guys, to watch every day. With my girls from Scrapathon, what it means is going to be a whole lot more lives. So I'm going to do way more lives than I had originally planned on. And also I'm going to do a few lives on my regular Facebook group. So if you haven't joined my regular Facebook group, make sure to join that. It's just Nicole Jones 911. And I'm hoping to be able to do some YouTube lives, but the last time I tried, it didn't work. I'm going to get my son to try to help me and see what's going on. Maybe between the two of us, we can figure it out. So maybe, a couple of also YouTube lives. So keep watching on this channel, on my Facebook group. I'll announce all the lives that I'll be doing for you guys. This is something that I don't think has ever happened before, that it has affected everybody worldwide. And the thing out there is we're in this together, and we really are. The whole world is fighting this. I hope that all of us are able to stay safe, and I'm just hoping that for us to be, because we're in a situation right now that we have to social distance ourselves from everyone, that at least if we can be on social media and be able to chat on social media, it'll help with, there's going to be loneliness with this because we're unable to be around people. So I'm hoping that we can be on social media and we can connect with each other. and make some new connections that we can uplift each other. Now, on that same vein, how about if in the description box below, if you give us, because now we're going to have so much more time to watch movies or TV that maybe we didn't have time for before, or maybe, read some books that we didn't have time. So in the description box below, put down your favorite movies, your favorite books, and just maybe different ideas that we can do with our kids that are home. My kids are a little older, but for my grandchild, my daughter's saying that he's going stir crazy because he finds it hard for stuff for him to do. So I gave her some ideas because we had bought him a whole bunch of activity books at Christmas, and I said I put them all in a container, and she said I know exactly where that is, so I'm going to go get that for him, and then he can work on those activity books. And I said don't forget I bought him some coloring books and some coloring pencils, so there's lots for him to do. So anyway, so leave all those in the comments down below, and just be watching. Probably by Monday, I'll be announcing all the different things that I'll be doing here hopefully on YouTube, with the lives, the videos for sure, maybe some lives if I can get it figured out. But there's going to be some lives on my regular Facebook group and extra lives for my girls for the Scrapathon. And just remember, we are in this together. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.